Welcome to Eggerton&Me. On this episode, we are going to be making Lego Rice Krispie Treats. 2 shapes. Lila, Legos come in rectangles. See knobs on top. And Legos come in squares. We are going to be cutting our Rice Krispies in 2 shapes and making colorful knobs. Jack, why are Legos cool?
Because they're made out of plastic. They can move.
They can move?
Yeah, but some can, but not the ones with the knobs. If you bend them, they'll come back straight again.
Okay, so
Or it might stay pinned forever.
we know some things about Legos. Do we know some things about treats? Are treats tasty?
Quicker!
Let's go! Hello, kids. We have gathered our ingredients. We have jet puffed marshmallows, whole bag, Rice Krispies, and butter in the pan. You're gonna start on low heat. 3 tablespoons of butter and whole bag of marshmallows. Who's ready to eat some marshmallows? Okay, shall we get started?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, Chef Eggerton?
Yes.
Okay.
Say chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny, chubby bunny, chubby bunny, marshmallows. Now we are ready to dump the marshmallows into our melted butter. Dump them all of them, ah! And now we are melting those marshmallows over low heat. Yummy with butter. Remember, you can skip these steps if you are buying store-bought Rice Krispie Treats, and you can skip right to the decorating, but we thought it'd be fun to make the classic recipe to start. Where are all the marshmallows? We are ready to add our Rice Krispies. Dump them. Yeah. 6 cups. Oh yeah. Stir. Use that arm muscle. Oh. Our Rice Krispies are ready. And so is our pan. We have put wax paper on a 9x13 pan. And now we are going to spoon our Rice Krispie cereal in, pack it down, let it cool. Yeah. So now we have pressed our Rice Krispies into our pan using cooking spray, or we used a little bit of canola oil rubbed on the pan. Then we're using wax paper to press down. Okay, we are ready for the decorating part. We have cut our Rice Krispies into square and rectangle. We have icing that we've made out of confectioner sugar, or you can buy icing. So icing that we bought, icing that we made. Colors, red, blue, call the colors out. Green. What color is that, Lila? Yellow. Are you ready to decorate?
Yes.
Let's do it. So, we start by adding a layer of icing across. This is going to be our blue Lego. Jack, what goes on top of a blue Lego?
Knobs.
Can you put knobs on top of the Lego, please? Lila's icing are yellow ones. Watch your fingers. I'll get you. I'm gonna do a nice even layer on here, and he's gonna add layers of knobs. No, so that's a good point. The M&Ms have to face down. You don't wanna see the M, because Legos don't have M's, do they, Jack?
They don't.
They don't, okay. So, knob number 1, remember? Look, 1, knob down, this way, okay? Look, 2, because remember, Legos are in rows like this, okay? So like that, doesn't that look more like a Lego now? Remember, M's down. 3, M's down. It's okay. It's a sticky work, but we love it. And, all right, do the last one. Remember, M down, okay?
Oops.
Voila! First one done. So remember, rectangles get more, squares get 4. Excellent job decorating. Jack, tell me what kind of Legos we have here.
Red and blue.
Red and blue, and what about these ones?
Green and yellow.
What shapes?
Rectangle and square.
We have the building blocks of some delicious treats.
Eggerton&Me. We're cooking now.